Hello everybody, I've got a tune-up report for you today on a Cobra 29NW Classic. This is for Brian in Utah. Alright, let's see. Brian, on this watt meter, I got 10 watts across the top scale. Coming in about 5.5. And on my peak reading meter, I got a 50 watt slug. We're going to be right here. 50, 40, be just a little bit over this 30 mark.
Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. We put 120 channel kit right here, Lescomm kit. Up is 40 channels up, normal, and 40 channels down. Put a new meter on there. And we put a new 1969 final in the back of here. One of the last ones I had in stock forever. Alright. Let's put it on the air. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Does it sound alright? I just got it back. Appreciate it, driver. Have a good one. Drive safe out there.